Trending, trending, them say them trending. Trending, trending, them say them trending. And the more we talk, them a go run out pon the bus. Trending, trending, yes, them say them trending. And the more we talk, the more them a go run out pon the bus. Yeah, because them trending, trending. Same so TV says she trending. And the more we talk, them a go run out pon the bus. What's up, Speak My Mind family? What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Them say them trending. And the more we talk, the more them a go run out pon the bus. Me nah help but build nobody page, you know. But when me come out, you have to talk, me just have to talk. Because when me hear and I talk, me have to talk. When me hear dunce but and nonsense I talk, me have to talk. Say them a done said, them a kuno mono. Oh me fi bad mind, and me richer than uno. Say them a done said, them a kuno mono. Oh me fi bad mind, and me richer than uno. Dana say fi sing that song at uno. Uno what done said, uno what kuno mono. Oh me fi bad mind, and me richer than uno. What's up again? I don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. You know that double press up me there. Bang! Video. Bang! Consecutive hit. Bang! Bang! Video. Bang! Thumbs up. And remember, please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed to that channel, I'm asking you please to go ahead and subscribe. Trending, trending, them say them trending. And the more we talk, them not stop come out here upon the bus. Remember, in the comment section, you have Life with Gabby and Chevy, Tamika Douglas TV. Them channel down there, YouTube channel pin. Ask for 10 subscription a week. Please and thanks, it not cost no $1. It is free of cost. And the cash app is there. $. Life is a Mission TV. You ask for it for all you new subscribers. It wasn't an intention of mine to put a cash app there. But the subscribers of yesteryears has asked me over and over how they can give me. I think hard about it. Because I don't want nobody to say them come and give me nothing. And then buy me a piece of old car. A social media buy it, give me the little piece of whole house, so I put all roof when I put over my head. When I look up at chichi, I drop down in my face. And duck hands, I drop down in my mouth. And then buy me it in a social media. And when I talk the clean heart people them, you know, we give from them heart, you know, we talk the people them we give. Just to have something to talk about. We are talking about the people them we are give to try bring down whatever them say them give to. Them we are talk. So we me kind of weary about it, and them keep pressuring me, and about 3 months after me just say, okay. No, I was like sitting down watching one of my recreational channels, you know, and say we're a past fisherman diver, you know, current below, cause I used to do like tank diving, and it if you can some sitting and it mash him up, cripple one side of him and stuff like that. And him still try to go back to sea in him cripple stage, and him still carry him years after, you know. And him try, but the day when him go and see the sea was very rough, the current was very strong, so him couldn't manage it, but them still going in the water and trying thing. Cripple man, me I tell you about, you know. Yes man. And me look and me see, you know, people reach out to them, if you reach out to him, you know, because them see the effort we put out and stuff. And, you know, them first start give him some things, you know. We should go and check him and give him some grocery, and people just come on board and start sorting him out. Them see him washing him and them buy him washing machine and stuff. I mean, I said, you know, it just come to my mind and said, there's a lot of needy people out there, people who willing to work. Cause in a film stage, him is still willing to go out there, go do what is known to him, you know. And when you look upon them, some of them things that inspire you and encourage you to help people like them there. You understand? Somebody just tell me, say, alright, I'm going to end up put up the cash app, you know. Whatever gift me get from the cash app, I will give it back to the needy. Me can't buy a pound of rice, people out there can't buy not even half pound. And you know, my backup channel, you know, where the sightseeing and stuff like that is concerning, going out there and do some riverside cooking vlog and seaside, you know, hills and valley. It's going to take funds to care. You know, so me I say, can take a part of that from that to build that part of the channel. So I someone put it up. So for who don't know, I am not running a charity, and when you give me and me give it back to the needy, it's not a charity. When you give me with whatever you give me with, $5, $10, $20, $30, you don't give it to me to give to nobody. You give it to me from myself. I choose to give it back to the needy. So you can't come and say you give me your money for charity. So them can't set me up. Uno can't set me up. So nobody have the intention. If you send no money, come give me and try to set me up. Cause uno can't set me up. I don't make it clear, I not run no charity. You know, if you send nothing. Kudos to my two little people them. We might send them little thing come when them have it. And whatever them have. As I say, why did somebody send $6? I am not the person who will come out come say, then I cash up $6. Thank you. And thank you again. If me have 100 somebody I send $6, come give me a whole heap of rice and flour and tin mackerel that can put together and buy and give to the needy. Anyway, I could get into the video. Too much chatting now. Same so TV said them a trend. So them have to take the opportunity and go and trend. And every day them are going to come out here and put out one of Dana recipient. Where Dana come out here come tell Lipan who she don't know, who has suffer from who not suffer, and she take them up and put to the public, put to the world, for the people them send them money come. She get nah laugh woman and nah laugh disrespect the woman and not deal with the woman to the woman a whole woman, and when the woman can't send nothing more, then I put him on back to another woman. All kind of sitting, you know. Mountain View mix up, which part them come from. Them know all about Mountain View mix up. Them know all about 99 and Mountain View business. Whichever part them come from. Me no know where them come from. But them talk so convincing about Mountain View business. If you're an idiot, you're just quick to believe. If you're a easy believe in Thomas, but true me is a hard believe in Thomas. And me know what is what. Yes, man. We not easy believe people, but when we convince anybody we are idiot, trust me. Me not talk no more, me chat enough. We not listen.
So you see, because me a trend this week and everybody just a run up and talk about serious or TV. Everywhere me turn a serious or TV or serious or TV. So me clearly a trend, so me ever just chat up some more things, because one I try to do is silent people. This is one I do. If nobody now say nice things about Dana, no one silent them.
We have been talking for 5 years. And nothing happened, so why would I want silent you? We just expose you. Oh no, corruption.
Is convince Dana to take people who have been talking about her for years to court. And she said they have been saying a lot of lies about her and whatever, defamation in her character. That's all she say. Defamation in her character. That's all she say. And when she gets to America,
Dana is not the only one pronounce word the wrong way. Even me sometimes pronounce word the wrong way. Because sometimes in your element and you talk, you know. You understand? But at the same time, your friends them out there who don't know any better or cannot pronounce the word any better, me no hear you talk. When Marcia come out here and say pressure, me no hear you say nothing. And so many other words, me no hear you come out here come talk. But as Dana shh, you swallow. And when you swallow on the belly, you full, you know. But it come like una belly can't full. So una have to continue say Dana if she continue shh for no swallow. Una just go and swallow, man. Go and swallow. No worry about courthouse, you know. It is coming. It's just that I wonder how long.
Because she's gonna sue. So Auntie Donna, I don't know what is taking
Make sure you have
so
all
long.
the evidence to
What
give your
I
friend them as
encourage
what you
your
said.
Congress to do is to convince you to take these people to court. The last time I heard was you was gonna create a GoFundMe in order to take these people to court. So please do so. Because I'm gonna say this. Anybody out there that have disrespected my page and I had to come back and disrespect them,
All the files and
please
evidence
be
to give
advised
out.
that the day Donna decide to take any of y'all to court, or even myself here, whatever happened in the past is gonna be water under the bridge. Same way
Oh, you mean just join up, yes, to pull down Dana, yes.
Courthouse with you.
Yeah, man,
Maybe
join
I
up with your
won't be there
enemies,
with you,
them.
but please, I will reach out to you to have give me your attorney information, because the information that I have to prove that Donna is a scammer and a wicked, I will forward those information to your attorney so they could use as evidence. So it does.
Empty barrel make the most nice. Empty barrel make the most nice. Then you and your friend them have all these evidence to prove. You understand? You and your friends have all these evidence to prove that Dana is a scam. You understand? I want to sit for 4.5 years, 5 years. Just yap. Uno mouth not tired. I don't know, like uno just yap one time a day, you know. Uno yap right through the day. I want to yap pan. Planka Nation and Dana. Planka Nation and Dana. Planka Nation don't them are idiot. Dana at this, Dana at that, Dana at uno just yap. So is it that Dana name is Listerine? Is it Dana name Colgate? Is it Dana name toothpick? Is it Dana name toothbrush? Is it Dana name chew stick where the rest of them would have used, you know, the chew stick? Me don't know, because I come like Dana name cleanse on the mouth. Because me could have never have those hard evidence sitting down that if that and sitting waiting for Dana to carry me to court to use it against her. When my main focus and effort is to expose her, bring her down, and see to it that she get the full length of the law. Come on, wanna talk to me? Does this make sense what she has said? Because it's not a he, you know, it's a she. We all know that, and we all know who it is. So them could have talked a little more. But if you have so much evidence, why would you sit beating up your gum? Someone have been all fast teeth where I drop out on the care, me talk good. You understand? Someone have to move from uppish part in the husband, they lie down, gone down on a basement and go and chat. From AM to PM, from PM to AM. When you don't have hard evidence, can just squash everything within a shorter period of time. Because based on the evidence you have, you know, it won't take no time, you know. It won't take no time for you to enjoy the success you never gain. When the judge goes up, bang! Donna Marigo, you find guilty of being So why you don't have them the hard evidence and I go through so much trouble and tribulation? You don't want the evidence to defend yourself when on a court time. We got news for you. We got news for you. Yes, man. We have news sooner, man.
No matter if me and you ever had a problem or you disrespect me and I had to turn around and disrespect you, please note that if Donna Marigo ever decide to take you to
Oh, you
court,
mean farm on the allied,
reaching out
yes?
to you to get the
But you not been
information
doing
from
that
your
for so
attorney
long.
so I could send them some information. You hear that? Okay.
Wanna hear that?
Let me talk because I see everybody
Allied time. Farm allied.
And Queen Bee can write up on my page. Me already her, and I hope she take heed with that. I hope she take heed with
Private,
that. 'cause
public
trust
troublemaker
and
that
believe,
again.
Nobody, no girl or no boy out there can bully me. No girl or no boy out there can bully me. So no can chat and tell
Social
me,
media,
keep them come. Me just sit
bad
back
people
and
them,
laugh.
you know, listen to them. Me a
So,
coward.
since you don't want to go in a store, let me
We
go in
not
a
real
store.
social media bad people, but me a coward social media in a real
You
life.
guys remember Nalaf? Well, someone who knew one go remember him because
Listen to them
when
dummy ya.
Dana was in a Jamaica, ever saw
Listen to them
Auntie
pit
Rhea, she
latrine ya.
cry,
Where Jomma Roach a
Nalaf,
crawl
turn
out
down
all
the
both of them.
music. Nalaf, YouTube no like music. Nalaf, turn on the music. I'm sure you guys have heard that, right? Did you guys remember the first time that
Listen, you
Dana
know,
met
listen
Nalaf?
yourself.
Or
Listen.
claims that she met Nalaf? Dana came on her live and said she was walking down the street, Mountain View Avenue, or whatever she said she was walking down. And she see this guy with this liquor stall. And him always look like him a try when she a walk past and him always a dance. So because of that, she bring him. But prior to that, she had this young man called Wenny Wenny. Wenny Wenny, so I think that's how I'm pronouncing it, Wenny Wenny.
Make a
You
stick
remember
up in.
him?
Make a stick up in right here, so. Dana wasn't walking down no mountain view. Did not say she walking down no mountain view. Dana, Natalie, and who again? It was Dana, Natalie. I remember the exact live. Dana, Natalie, and somebody else. Dana come out of the lane because people, for who don't know, we're not laugh cell. Alright. Ahead of me here, it would be Dana Lane, 99. Right? And to my right and to my left, where my hands are, is the main road, what you'd call Mountain View Avenue. Alright? Remember now, you know, this way is 99. So, Mountain View, left and right. Then I enter, exit from her lane onto Mountain View. If I'm not lying, I think rain was also due. If I'm not lying, that day I rain, it just don't fall. I don't quite remember. So when Dana goes and go around the wall now, there was Nalaf across the road from her. I don't think where him have the stall was directly in front of the lane, because you know directly in front of the lane would be the road that lead to her church. So it wouldn't be directly in front of the lane. So basically, directly in front of the lane would be the road across, which part of our church is. So you would have to turn to the right when she exit the lane, and then a few steps, then you'd have see the sidewalk where Nala the pan, and I think 2 other places there and some shops further down. And then I turn around and make the few steps, and when she look, she hear the music I play, and she looks, she see Nala out there dance and I go on with himself. And she said she always, I see him dance and whatsoever. And she did that, and because she did on the live, the people them start to now laugh now and enjoy the whole thing. And that's how now laugh come about. So you're gonna make it look like through the woman up on her veranda now. After now laugh come on the program and she do her YouTube now and she say, Nala, turn down the music. Hey, you don't tell Nala to me I beg him turn down the music there. Ray. You make it sound as if, because that's how she make it sound. I want to listen to her keenly, you know. Like Dana didn't know him because I'm our neighbor. Because all of a sudden she had tell him to turn down music. That simple mean I must our neighbor. Come on. Sometimes they write your song. And right now I like a square down there, so which is probably 100 yards or about 70 yards away from me. The music loud. Enough time I want to do all one little video. I mean, I have to wait till after 1, 2 o'clock when the music. Because if me lock up in the room, you can't hear it. And you don't know YouTube, sometimes they will allow certain things and sometimes they don't allow it. And it's hard for you to do a video and feel like it's okay, because the music, as you know, all these say YouTube do. The music, the winner blow, and the music, you know, sound travel. So I don't have nothing to do when you hear me always about. Because sometimes the music, the way at the distance, but the sound of travel where you can't really hear it. You understand? So if Nala, they just a few chains away and the music turn up, because you know them man the dancer man, they say they love music, you know, when feed them music ready to go buck, you know. Not a stone love our 4x4 Exodus, which is done a father sound, no heavy and loud, so you know. What me say? So Then always a shout out, and this woman come make it look like say, oh, see there, it has been proven. Because now she monetize and she want YouTube money. Because when Facebook and Instagram, she never did even think about music because she never collect money. But now YouTube no want no music. So she a try point out say, nah laugh was Dana neighbor. But it still Dana did come and say she no know him and meet, she just meet him. Even so be the case, somebody can in your area, whether 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, all for years and you don't know them. Because those people might not be coming on the road like that frequently or passing in your vicinity on a regular basis. You might not be going in the area where those people are traversing. So you might not know them. You have people who are born and grow in that area. And other people don't know them also born and grow there. So what you are going to try to say? What is your justice? All these things is the proof that you're going to give to your fellow what do you call it now? I wouldn't say client because they are not your client. Your fellow friends who might end up in a courthouse with you. And these are the evidence that you say you have. Move out of my face, yeah.
She give him all kind of stroller, all kind of baby things and all some money up on top of money.
Oh, right here, so she are saying this guy named Weng Weng. Well, I don't remember this one. I hear the name, but I don't remember the whole relationship. What she has said this guy related to Nala. They are two cousins, first cousin, two sister picnic. And from Deso 99 also know Nala because she gets to understand say Weng Weng and Nala for cousin. You saw them know 99 business, you saw them know Mountain View business, and go see which part they come from. Could a wear on a one part, on a taxi and a bus no one gonna TV donkey or camel no one travel. You understand? But yet still them know where I going just right around there, so I'm out if you have any. When me live so close to, I might not know.
Go strong man, not around.
I don't sound too convincing when you come out there.
After that she come with Nala. Did you know that Winnie and Nala is two first cousins? They're two sister pitney. Actually, they live in the same yard. That's his name, right? Winnie. That's how I pronounce it, right? I'm gonna go look it up. W-E-N-G, I believe. Winnie and Nala are two sister pitney. Them a cousin, two first cousins, and them living at the same yard. She didn't tell us that information when she brought them on, right? And she bring them right behind each other, and there was a...
She did not tell us that information when she brought them on. Are you a donor? Are you a Plankatarian? I don't think so. So what obligation does Dana owe you to come and tell you, okay, if even so be the case, Weng Weng or whatsoever the person want name and Lala for family? Come on. More than one person who related come on this program and the woman identify them as family. Recently, you ran Miller brother. So why would she be hiding this? Come on, let's be frank now. Why would she hide that? Eh? It's either the plank them are gonna give or them not give. Cause she no hold nothing on none of them throat. She no hold nothing on none of them head. But you just feel like say, if she did come out and say, oh, there are two cousins, then would I say, no, we now help to somebody in one family. What she do, she don't try to do that. Because there are so many other people out there who want help. But if the needs arise and she want to reach out to a certain level, she can reach out. And it all left to the donors. Which you are not one. So why are you so concerned? This is what I can't understand. When you're so concerned about the people, them money, and the people them continue to show and say them not care what you want chat say, them not care what you want do, them not care what Dana want do. Their trust is in Dana. Them trust is in Dana. Whatever she do, they all stand by her. I wanna still make yourself being a fool, a goon. In coming out here to defend all these donors' money who are repeated donors. They continue to donate. And the more you talk, the more who used to send $50 start send 70. Who used to give 1,000 start give 1,005. The more you talk. You don't realize that all now. I want to continue to talk and watch donor money.
Another time that she went and gave them money together, right? So she never bring that information. Two big old strong man. So she come and she tell me, say, nah,
They are not the only two strong person on the program.
And she said hi, and she said the
And
guy
everybody's strong fortunate. So too me strong and me not fortunate to have certain things I get a job. Me can't get little help from somebody.
Basically, Dana neighbor. So when Dana in our house or do our life, Dana can beg him to turn on the music. Remember before, she never worry about music because of Facebook and Instagram she went up on. And her pages them never monetized, so she never worry about money. But when she run over YouTube now, and the money come in place, that's how you hear. That's how everybody find out that Nala is her neighbor. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna be doing one of the
If I laugh, my balls gash fire. God, people. When me go figure laugh and laugh the right way, me jump, me roll, and me afraid my balls go gash fire right now. Who know about the stone them then say? We then call the stone them again brimstone, where you can rub together and you see fire come. If I ever laugh right now, my balls them catch a fire. You know hear why she justifies saying nah laugh? I done a neighbor. I only remember when I said look earlier before she said it. Because Dana start shouting nah laugh and tell him turn down the music. You know remember me just a demonstrate tone, Mountain View 99. Dana, the next road run go straight across the Dana church there. So when you come on Mountain View on 99 corner there, so and you take the right there, you make probably 1, 2, 3, 4 step, and you look, turn now and look over straight pan Nalaff, you look. How far now is Nalaff from which pan 99 there? So when him turn theme music up, it not affect her. Most affect her. Sound or something with travel, not to mention when the winner carried in the direction. But because all of that now, she used that to say, nah laugh, I done a neighbor because all of a sudden now through channel monetize and she want money, she start shout out and so now she give it herself. That she try to say Cause at first she did say she don't know nah laugh. But now she can't call to nah laugh. It turn down music because him her neighbor. Old baboon. Old mate. I better you should have be happy mate. But not mate. You understand? You should have be happy mate. Else your life would have alright. You understand? Your life would have alright. A man can be 100 yards away from you and I play music and you hear it cause sound travel. That no make the man be my neighbor. If the man live 20 yards or 30 yards away from me, how can he be my neighbor? Him don't live in front of me, him don't live next to me which is right, and him don't live next to me which is left. He cannot be my neighbor if him even live 3 yards away from me and I'm my neighbor that. Much as a man they are 100 yards away from you. I'm my neighbor. If I you, I go give me things to carry go a court with you. All the way you say so me no want nothing. Cause sentence me must get sentence. Judge must find me guilty. Because where you have your son, it's nothing for me go by where me can hold on pan and say yes you have real facts. So if Dana say come Lord court time, see your documents here. Come see a court time, see your documents here. And me hear you say this alive here. Me would even have my heart skip say yes. Me have a chance because she have something me can give you as evidence. Cause listening this alone, this poor bad, not even father whole long people them not poor so. Food for the poor people them not poor so like how this a evidence where you come out here so with I try to give to the public poor but as you say yeah trend. So yeah try to see if you can do even 1, 2, 3 video a day and stay in the trending position. But you're not hot. You're never lukewarm. You're never lukewarm. You're coming like when we have fishermen have couple days see well where rain and fall, weather bad, water cold, fish gone hide. You're not hot. So you're not going to stay trending for too long. You're mad? When 1 and 2 out there, Marcy and Tina out there, 1 and 2, oh, you have to stay trending. You must say idiot. Probably one other day you know hear about your name. Yes, you will hear your name, but not trending.
Story. I'm just gonna pick one of her recipient every day and do a story about them because since you decide so no one gonna take set on this page here, I got take set on the boss, right? So we learned that Nalav. So Nalav, she end up finding a little catty. I don't want to say a little catty, I got so an old tough black plank up on the program. And she met Nalav name out the woman. Nalav name out the woman and disrespect the woman. Yes. The woman when she set up Nalav on the planker, lady, Nalav name out the woman and disrespect the
She
woman.
was the audio
And
tracking
when you done with the
system.
woman, then I bring him back on the program.
She was the audio tracking system. So basically, she were everywhere that Nalaf and this woman were having conversation. So basically, she can tell you everything. She can listen because she was the audio tracking system. So mind you know, she knows everything. So what she's saying, she has her evidence. I don't know if a guardsman, archive, King Alarm, I don't know who installed the system, but she was an audio tracking system. You hear how convincing she talking? You hear? Or you not all hear how convincing she sound? We always tell them say we done so far, but we no idiot.
Program, you remember that? And all of they try to talk about the woman, but oh, me never really like how she a move and da 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 da. Now I forget to say she name out the woman and make us build out of the woman. And then because the woman a big old great tone woman and don't look good, she never want.
So now if you get house people, you think a shop alone him get house?
The woman really have it like that for selling conking. Him this up the woman and guess what? Gonna bring him back on the program now start set him up with another woman. You don't remember that? You don't remember that? This is not a neighbor. And the advice, Nalav is not no regular boy, just a dancer, have him liquor shop. Nalav is basically one of the chopper them up there. Nalav is one of the what them call the boy them ride the bike? The wing boy them up there. Even though he not ride bike, me never see him ride bike. I one of the way. Nalav is nobody way.
So basically, when you say wing or ring or wing bike, and not really the man them ride the bike. Because if you are going to say, nah laugh, I one of them, I want to chopper them up there. I one of them, we call them the ring boy them round. But him not ride bike, me never see my ride. So how you going to say I one of the ring? And then immediately you never see my ride bike yet. But you know, so what you try to say is a different terms you're using than chopper. Me don't know, you know, cause when you talk and just contradict yourself when you talk, you know. Because you just come out here and say you know create content, but as me say, no content you know create. A contention you know create, not content, contention. Unnecessary contention. Contention that you know have no proof of, no evidence. And you come out here and talk so convincing to fool the wider public who you can fool. You understand?
You when him not laugh, that the man they not laugh. Unless if it's necessary. The same thing with him cousin when you. Them boy they not laugh unless if it's necessary. So these are the people that done up the
Oh, now which part of Mountain View you live?
Two big old strong Dreback long cocky man.
Or what kind of connection you have a Mountain View? As me say, go see how far and far you live.
She make people send their money go give, but them the people that ain't idiot anyway if they send their money go give. But what is the sad part about it? Dana is very much affiliated with these people. These people are her neighbors. She know these people are not in need. Like she put out there, they're not in need like that. Even when you could have easy, when you boy.
What determine a man in need, people? Wanna help me, please and thanks? What determine if a man or a woman is in need? Is it that when someone look physically fit, even like how me look, strong and hearty, Meaning that they are not in need? I don't know, I'm just asking. You know, answer me now. Somebody look physically fit, strong and hearty, tells you that that person is not in need, right? Me no know, me just ask, I wish she has said me ask. Because I can be strong and hearty and fit and look ready, but me is in need. And in need, not meaning that me not have the mindset to go out there go work. But I'm just not fortunate to get a job. You understand? Even the worst job where you might have think of, me can't get one. For what reason I don't know. Because I'm not fortunate. While you have man out there who have 3, 4, 5 other jobs there, I get. Man out there with 3, 4 jobs, but me just not fortunate. Me get up, me can't find a plate of food despite me strong and hearty and willing to go work. But just can't get no work. That means that me not needy. Me need it because me can't find a plate of food. You understand? When you go downtown, enough of these man and woman where you see downtown, some of them look clean, them don't mad. You understand? They are not mad. Some of them have strong family background also. But guess what, me know? Circumstances make it what it is. I think one man done the interview with my man said, boy, him not mad, him just homeless. Which is that with most of them. Most of them is not mad, them just homeless. For one reason or the other, they are homeless. But them still try to carry themselves clean despite they have a shelter over them head. Them go down to the seaside, go all and wash off. You have sometimes the car park, them have them little pipe where them go all them wash off also. Keep themselves clean and fresh. Have them two little piece of clothes where them wash out when them ready and chop on the sea down a mall this upon the piece of something the way that sit down pan or pan stone, feet dry and something them carry themselves clean. They are homeless. They are in need. Because of circumstances cause them to in need, as me say. Probably them live in a family yard and because them not contribute certain way, family put them out or them just take it to heart and just decide to watch a boom. Some of them get deported from foreign, come back not have nothing at all, come back your arty strong. Just not have no way because them never make no preparation like your friend Marcia. You understand what I say to you? So them find themselves on the street because them not know where to go. Strong and hearty person. But what? Them just tell themselves, say, nah, I make no trouble with me, you know. If I street, I do it at the street. If God want to lift me up again one more time, I so be the case. But if Him don't want to lift me up and so me have to lift till Him ready for me and so it go. They are in need, but them strong and hearty and look clean. But you don't pass them sit down or lie down downtown and say, look on all you. Strong and hearty, but you lie down yourself. Strong and hearty no means that people are in need. You have people right now who even live good life and is in need. But what? Them not make it trouble them. Some people, this is how them go about looking clean, smile, laugh, everything and look happy because this is the way them treat them needs. So it not take a toll upon them. Because not everybody can handle certain situation, you know. Some people find themselves in the simplest of need. Blood pressure lick them down. Heart attack lick them down. Them start think all kind of things, figure analyze themselves. Simple little things, you know. But that person that live in a house, person could have all care too. So you looking at people no mean say them not in need. You gotta talk about the two youth, them strong and hearty. A whole heap of strong and hearty youth out there in need, just want to start, want to push. Some of them hopeless real. But some of them out there genuinely just want to start and want to push because them not grow with no strength behind them. Them not grow with no family background and them come see have nothing. Can't give them a start. Some of we born and grow as we step off, we can't help ourselves. Some of we when we born and grow, we drop all 50 times and bust up with forehead with mouth, lose our teeth or we just start grow. But yet still some of we went and we make the first step, we make the second step and the third step. Some of we never drop yet. That's how it go. So you can't look on people and talk about strong and hearty.
Have him in liquor shop and have him
More people strong and hearty and drop them tomorrow morning.
Yes, when you
And then they look strong and hearty the day before.
Yes, when you have him liquor son is string up sometimes and doing little things, and when he's not a boy need. But Donna bring him on the program, make it appear that he is in need. Big old strong ass man. And make people donate money to her. Una gonna tell me say Donna is a humanitarian and a philanthropist or whatever I wanna call it. And one of the best things that ever come out of Jamaica. And she's better than Andrew Holness, and she have done more to the Andrew Holness. No, what she have done is build an army in Mountain View to where even the Jamaican Defensive Force can't even enter Mountain View without a fight. And them say it themselves, and I'm say it. That's what she have done. That's what you see.
Gone are the days.
She can be there at any point.
Gone are the days. Move. You don't know nothing about people place.
$1 million on her and nobody can touch her. But right in America, Queens.
That is gone. Gone are the days. And when you go say Mountain View coming like it is a little Tivoli where police can't go in. Gone are the days. Police run up and down and drive through Tivoli Garden day and night now. It was then you are talking about. And it's not just Tivoli Garden and Mountain View where if police go some woman a trod through and buck up in at those guys, they know what is going to happen. Because if those guys, as them fire stick, them are going to light it up in defense of them life. While the officers are also going to light up for them fire stick in defense of them life. So anywhere you go, it do happen. So don't come going like Mountain View and Tivoli is the worst place. Look at St. James. One time gone when a man talk about St. James, you know, people, all who know, all who come from St. James know that. And who come from Jamaica, no care where you come from in a Jamaica, you're supposed to know this. One time gone when a man talk about, not even St. James, and a man say Mobile, Montego Bay. A one thing. No man, no look at you, they don't want you tell him about go Montego Bay. No man no want you bring Montego Bay to him. Because it's just one thing run through the head when you say Montego Bay. But now, a different something. I want to know what them used to say. Oh, Jamaican and a whole know when you talk, tell a little man, go on a Mobile man, go make them. Go on a Montego Bay, go make them. Because the stigma about Montego Bay back then. A different thing now when you talk about Montego Bay, you talk about fire stick and torch a light like a Olympics. As we talk about that, you know, people. Hey, sometimes the argument come from me mouth, you know, I feel wonder where me get it from, you know. And so when me sit down and plan, you know. And if you don't watch me sometime, me there, I just a chat and me just say certain things, you know, I wonder. One coming on my comment today now. With the video where I post today. And here she not today, yesterday, because I didn't see that video yeah Friday, so Thursday. Here she coming on my comment now. Oh, me not see you. Where the video? No, she said, where the video there with 13 a rub out Ashanti? What kind of vlogger you is? Wanna hear what she asks me? Where the video there with 13 a rub out? You know yourself, because if you're over here, I mean, I think you're not a supporter over here. You're just a fast. You're pass and fast. Where the video there with 13 a rub out Ashanti? What kind of blogger you is? The one where you're not pay. So I, in return, immediately me see it, me say, boy, you know, somebody not gonna answer this. I'm stroll down. And I give some other comments, some art, and I respond to certain comments. I like a man say, no, you need to answer. But don't answer in a bad way. Just answer nice and decent. And by the time I go so roops and stroll down back on fair comment. I said to her, I said, listen, ma'am. Anyway, that video there, you know which part you go find it if you really want to find it. Toyota Jamaica now sell Nissan parts. When you look at the argument the way me like going up people, it might sound just easy, you know, but you don't just understand what me I try to say. Because she asked me where the video there with 13 I rub 360. And me just reply to her nice and decent. Anyway the video there, you know she probably go find it. Toyota Jamaica no sell Nissan parts. Straight Toyota parts themselves. So no come over here come ask me for Nissan parts. And for your information, you know 13 page, go and go find it. And me see a certain individual will say him done with certain things and mix up. And me tell you say them can't live without it because of it. Build them. You understand? Controversy build them. Contention build them. Do Wisha. If you want it, lady, go over the Wisha page and you see it. And you will hear my dissect and I say what you have to say and I say feel 30, 40, 50, 60. I go and tell you again. Jamaica, Toyota Jamaica don't sell Nissan parts. Back to where we did there.
Right over there on Linden Boulevard, a Lotian shop she have to get security. When all who is gonna be there?
Because of people like Uno. She fresh off foreign, she don't know who is who.
So she never needs security in the worst garrison.
That a fear place, she know who is who.
But
She know when to run, when to duck, when to hide, when to lock her mouth and when to open her mouth. She there's someone new, she don't know no we are enemy out there.
She don't need no security at Jamaica because Dana is a Dana herself.
Bonnie,
Maybe not the Dan, but she's the right hand to the Dan because she's
Bonnie?
supplying the Dan with everything that the Dan need. So nobody can step to her, nobody can touch her. There's no police about her. Police can't go Mountain View like that. Police cannot go in a Mountain View like that. Mountain View is a mini Tivoli garden. I am telling you that. Mountain View is a mini Tivoli garden. Police can...
So sometime last year, when last year, yeah man, sometime last year, not this year top nothing. Already early this year. When them run in and go take out a such man with them say was a wanted from some other parish. I remember if I send Katrina or Monby away, some other parish, where them been said there and them run in, go take him out. Oh, you mean them can't run in? I tell you, say a long time there's something you talk about, you know. A long time there's something you talk about. And if you don't know one not chat, say stop chat. Gone are the days when the security force afraid for going in a certain community. You understand? Gone are the days. It's just that them know certain community when them are going there, them have to go in there strategically. They have to go in there on time and strategically. Because if them don't do that, them know what the outcome are going to be. And remember now, the serving member of the security force is human being, just like the gunman. You understand? So, evasive action I go take if them go in at the wrong time. And man a move, fire stick I go light as me say. And the outcome no most pretty. Because the police are human being. Just like the man them. So if the man them go so come. 2 police can get it too. And if the police go so clum, 2 man can get it too. But guess what? It's a 50-50. So why would you want to risk going at a time where it can possibly be a 50-50? So what you do, you plan your raid or you plan your entrance strategically and on time. And you don't know, them have them people them with them work with also. So when you come chat, all them you sit in your bag of nonsense, you tell people a long time, 70s something this you talk about and 80s and probably early 90s, you know. Them you sitting here done with lady.
And right up in a Mountain View like that.
Right now you have police station inside the Tivoli garden.
Than she's safer in America. Yet the people them were living
Such man office is a police post. Such man office down there is a police post. So where you chat say a foolishness. People, all I know I watch this live, yeah. I watch this video, yeah. And let me say, Jamaicans are not all. I know all from my Caribbean neighbors. So let me say Jamaican who really know all the situation of Jamaica still. Even the Caribbean people. Because a lot of the Caribbean countries, the same thing go on a yard, yeah. Go on there. Just like we go on any big foreign, United States, Canada, England, all about. If you're from a community like, say, you live at Queensland, New York, and you know your surrounding, you know, say, over there, so, I set a man over there, so, some petty man, I set a man over there, so, a cokehead, I set a man over there, so, them run the place. But at the same time, you know the runnings, and you know how to carry yourself, and you come from there, and you have $1 million upon you. And you know, despite that set a man there cokehead, that set a man there are some sickhead, set a man there them run the place. And your place. So you feel comfortable to a certain level in carrying $1 million. But guess what now? If you feel left your son go downtown or past 2 Mile or past Spanish Town Road where they known people. As me I said, she talk about back in the days. That never go on right. It's still going, but it's not prevalent like back then. Did you know that one time Ghana man I take a bus from anywhere I come from? Once him have to travel Spanish Town Road, once him reach a 3 mile less of the head to Coronation Market downtown Kingston. Him fret every step of the way. Worse if him have anything pan him to take. Because back in the days, once you leave Tivoli Garden and cross over Demontown, past Demontown Station, heading that way, anything is possible. The bus can't get wall up, your chain can't get grabbed, your bag can't get grabbed, doctor can't get robbed, driver can't get, the whole bus can't get. So each time you are traveling along that stretch, that's how you feel. Nowadays, it might, you know, you have like a one-off thing, but people more comfortable. But I am saying here, you talk about the woman not want no security, which partially live in one of the worst community in a Jamaica, but she come to Queens, New York. She don't know nothing about Queens, New York. You come and say planka near, she don't need a security car, be a planka people there. No, how we know that? No found no wolf in a sheep clothes. We don't know that. We don't know that. No found no wolf in a sheep clothing. We can't single note. No for who they on the platform type, on the various platform type. Remember, we don't know them. Face to face, we don't know them. You understand? So, with that being said, fake ass people like you can do it. For whatever reason you want to do it for, whether you want to see certain things you go carry back and say you have it for evidence, or you want to hide in one car and you have your video, everything because you want to see evidence. We don't know who you are, because we don't know you, but every day you're on your platform. You understand? This is in general knowing. Every day you're on your platform. And you cuss down and you cuss plank and you this and you that. But here still you turn up and meet and greet and Miss Lowton. Hey, hi, Auntie Dana. Hi, Auntie Dana. I love you. I watch you every day. And you hug up on your this. And you go back in your car now and say, you know. And you video everything. Because you're dying to see something wrong. If you can't say you have it live. Fake ass niggas like Uno. So we don't know Uno. So she have to take precaution and have our security.
Hey. Wanna keep talking, I will continue to talk. Anyway, my guys, one love. Anyway, for the people that go over here with the page, don't forget. I wanna dislike me. Don't forget to follow the page.
Move follow the page. That's it. You come and look. Eh? It now go grow up for Dana. This is one of the page when I grow up for Dana. Me can't tell you that. Senso TV, you are one of the page when I grow up. Even if you come out and come talk, nobody now listen you. Them prefer come on people page where I play you to hear you. So you can sit down and wait. I barely full no come for look. You don't get it already over 5 years, you don't now go get it again. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. I come to the end of another video. Bless upon yourself. Happy Friday when they come. Who I get paid this week. Just balance the book and make sure you put on something in the little savings, because remember them say rainy day, and when them say rainy day, you know, you have to put on something for rainy day. Them mean literally rain or fear fall. No, put it down for when you can't have it, because some people too then you say rainy day, then put it down. And when they're hungry, they not touch it. Or that name rainy day. You're hungry, you can't find little food, you got to put on the little where you chew under the bed, where you chew. You know, who remember the old time bed foot them, the panel one them where you used to drop all the silver down in it. And when you're ready, you turn it upside down and shake you out back. You remember? Yes, man. Yes, man. Remember them something there, them days there. Remember them the days there. So, you put on something out of little much, you get no spend off everything. And talk about me, I get paid next week again. You never know what will happen next week. So prepare this week where you have something in your hand. Don't wait for what you don't have in your hand yet. If you make plans, sir. You understand? Bless upon yourself. You know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up and rate the video. And please to watch the ads. Go over there, so and go subscribe to Life is a Mission TV. And go right down there, so go subscribe to Life with Gabby and Chevy and Tamika Douglas TV. Bless up. All I know. Trending. Them say them trending. And the more we talk, I saw them going to attack the boss. Trending. Bless up.